Good morning, students of standard 11. Today we are going to study topic reptiles from chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. Reptiles. These are the animals which have scales on their body. So students, reptiles are actually the organisms on whose body huge number of scales remains present. So students, scales are actually the hard structures which cover the whole body of the organism and protect it from the adverse conditions of the atmosphere and even from the predators. So students, here in this picture, if you will concentrate, then you can easily notice the scales which remains present on the body of salamander. The blood flows in closed arteries and veins. Students, in reptiles, mostly the blood flows in the closed arteries and veins, and this forms one of the reasons to designate the closed circulatory system to the reptiles. So students, closed circulatory system is found in the reptiles. Students, we say that closed circulatory system is found in the reptiles simply because the blood, as you can see, is flowing in the arteries and the veins. The heart is more advanced than amphibians. So students, it is the another most important feature of the reptiles, that the heart of the reptiles are much more better in comparison to the amphibians. Students, we can understand it with the help of this picture, where we can easily notice that the heart is partially four-chambered, where we can find the right atrium, the left ventricle, the right ventricle. So we can say that partially the heart is four-chambered, which is obviously quite better in comparison to the amphibian's heart, where the amphibian's heart is of three-chambered. Sexes are separate. So students, in the reptiles also, the gender, that is the male and the female, can be distinguished from each other. It is oviparous. Students, mostly the reptiles are oviparous, that is, they lay eggs. So students, we can understand the concept of oviparous with the help of this picture, where we can notice that eggs are being hatched, and from the hatched eggs new offsprings of the reptiles are taking birth. Students, now let's discuss a very important question. What are reptiles? Why are reptiles oviparous? Reptiles are oviparous because it lay eggs. Students, reptiles are least developed in comparison to the mammals because reptiles are oviparous and they lay eggs, whereas mammals are viviparous, that is, they can give birth to their young ones and they don't lay eggs. So students, today in this video we came to know that reptiles are the specific organisms which are better in comparison to the amphibians, as they have partially developed four-chambered heart. Reptiles have scales on their body which protect them from the adverse conditions of atmosphere. The blood of the reptiles is also red due to the presence of hemoglobin, and the sexes of the reptiles are separate because we can distinctly find the male and the female reptiles. Since there are many different types of reptiles which are found in the nature, fertilization in the reptiles is also not very well developed as compared to the mammals. So students, reptiles are one of the vertebrates because they have the central vertebral column which is made up of bones. Thank you, students.